I'm sure you have all noticed, Sweden is definitely not short of lakes and trees. We're pretty lucky here in Karlstad that we've such a beautiful lake called Lake Alster, only 40 minutes walk from the university. It is the ideal place to chill out and relax, and nothing beats watching the sunset on the bank with a nice fire by your side. Mariebergskogen is the biggest park in Karlstad and is a definite must-see for any Erasmus student.
When we first came here, we were all pretty stressed out about exams, and even some of us were homesick. This place is perfect if you just want to chill out and relax. There are also plenty of friendly animals to check out if you get bored.
If nature is not your style, maybe nightlife is.
Check out these sweet dance moves. You have to be 20 to buy alcohol here from the Systembolaget, but don't worry too much, you can drink at 18.
There is always something happening on campus, whether it's a get-together or a campus party.
Beer pong is big over here, and get ready to be introduced to some new Swedish drinking games.
The three main clubs in Karlstad are Willow, Coriander or Neues Fabriken.
I think it's clear, Erasmus students know how to party.